Baby Rooney TV experience.
Aye, Baby Rooney TV YouTube channel or subscribe na well leave a decent comment na wa share link no MIA na afoforo no so etimi enya biahwe. Although we can share, but a number of people are any almost betimi ahwe no or share a betimi aboa na wa like as well. No chirin so say open YouTube channel so a number na a good screen as no ofra e betimi no wedding komo esan ye WhatsApp inti oma any message from WhatsApp app no so a ebeba through this number country bi a wo no e betimi amao channel amanfo bebre ka say unya Ghana channel like moa asin say or register our channel as a Ghanaian and more just say be a we an European, either UK citizen or US or any other country I war abroad, but no you kwanya faswa you bet show now also when ya o channel na bibia aye kama adiachi anapa enra you call Baba Yara Sports Stadium, which is the Ghana version of El Clasico, match day 22 of 34, or 2025-26 season, Ghana Premier League. Etuja na Asante Kotoko, ewo kami Hatefuk. After the game, in Sembe break course, before the game, supporters are in kamo, Ibimo mentioned 4 goals to nothing against Hatefuk supporters and so pledge say omobema in 2 goals ni nyina no omonso omoka say omobaye no ekome iwiase no na Hatefuk ahye bako ama Asante Kotoko entimi ante. But on Baby Rooney TV, me crew, Sports God Junior and the other guys, baby a yehwe kakra ne say after the game, across social media and so obi ebo Asante Kotoko mpanyimfo chi, especially IMC. Ebinom say omo resigning after say coach Abdul Karim Zito and so resign ye na mpanyimfo yi adasote ho. Coach bia also Asante Kotoko adwumanum aye adwuma no. They don't have problem. On Baby Rooney TV, Eric Asiedu on Facebook, Baby Rooney TV on Facebook. Nika asisutu say Kotoko any issue. The issue that a poppy apa abetna Kotoko team nim eye injury situation. Now, na obi beka say e was Kotoko ebo matches ewini na ne supporters edinkunim. I am not supporting Kotoko this morning, but I am being fair to the playing body from Asante Kotoko or the materials are was a Kotoko easy. Yense ni say goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara on any day I will choose him ahead of any goalkeeper or Asante Kotoko. Right back, Lord of the game, Lord Amoa, he was perfect. Left back, either Philip Amoa or Patrick Asiedu. But on this situation, I will choose Patrick Asiedu in terms of experience. Center backs, the only problem me wapa ene me pese me ni ubiache na ubin kase I am supporting Kotoko. Ewo me analysis ana minsemo me deba. Henry Kwame Yensu konchen ama Musa Hamzata ababetoa so clearly show say nanka ewase Kotoko Musa Hamzata, but per me so minchechirimu a mechire sisi no. I made mention Philip Amoa and Patrick Asiedu. On any day, you won't go for Musa Hamzata ahead of Henry Kwame Yensu in terms of experience. Asante Kotoko meeting heart folk, and now say on a league weaker ubia a friend version of a classico, but because of injury, because of knocker unyai from the scar, which is niti and then the tikonkra and who a from the body nese inner but outlet Emma Musa eba betuaso, but Musa is one of the best center backs. Asante Kotoko enya any Ghana football so enya yenhwe bibi sei baby a coaches enei omo take over from coach Karim Zito eye set Kojo etna bench Emma Walid Fuseni Neymar start. Look at this. Oye midfielder na oche ball na untimi hold the ball na me a sports journalist. I am not a coach, but as a football follower, a football investor, I am not coach. And into na guys na yenu omutimi boom eshe football, soccer, and the other games omokase muni muba yensu ni mushe. Look at this. Sir Hibert Jau edgy ball, ehodi, a call for fouls to create a space for Asante Kotoko to rest on Hatterfolk. Na Walid edgy ball, a release to the opposing team, which is very bad. Eye too, Sanyoma we, and some trofo mienu, eba bishia, obia beka bibi foforo. First one, say, midfielder, uji ball, now creative foul, and no one no. Midfielder, sa uji ball, na one creative foul, na umanye ji ball ni di free win samua. Obiya bekanse umwademo ensoni. Yes, of course, obiya bekan. But you will get the likes of Set Kojo. Set Kojo edgy ball. Ejina so say Obama pass. And to me and my media team, we can say emphatically say Set Kojo is far better than Walid Fuseni Nema. Secondly, if you are using Walid Fuseni Nema the wing side, which is left or right winger, he will be also good than Set Kojo. Yensha Prince Badu from Nations FC to Asante Kotoko. Matches are wabo. Lord Hilary Adabo. Matches are wabo. Yen go through baby. But me yen bibi from Lord Hilary Adabo. Any Prince Badu say. Prince Badu enye experience no kakra echen Lord Hilary, but say akukensie ni da ho say ma. I took it from Future Stars. Welcome Asante Kotoko ejoso Okese Park MTN FA Cup run of 64. Abra Kotoko kwako yi Future Stars edinu afrim. Lord Hilary Adabo inya injury ena free game nim. From there, ena me who say he is out of Asante Kotoko midfield road. Because of say that time no na eninam fremo mu say Prince Badu ewiwi aba ene Asante Kotoko aba besia kan. But Prince eba ye no ni hu dwumadie soronko bia aba beka Asante Kotoko midfield no ho from him as a midfielder. He being number 6 or number 8. And no game na course no. If I'm being fair to Asante Kotoko, if I'm being fair to Hattefolk as a neutral person, Kotoko go down with 3 men. Amankwa red card no ma Hattefolk ball on paper 10 against 11. But technically, what we saw, and even if we are going to watch the game again, Walid na otese ubia yaman a red card. A number of minutes born wago probaniso nyinano, he was out of the game. Now yenshe bibi kakra. Hebert Chau, if only video we eba be sa. The only thing you can do for Asante Kotoko to continue to be the best midfielder for the team, the whole Ghana there, afei na ye kwakuhwehwem near this verdict no and now results na babo ntini. But Kotoko there, midfielders are 2025-26. Omo e campaign ya team no. I say bibi pebi be free mo abano. Hebert Jau eye baby Rooney TV. Yen crew, yen best midfielder so far. But olaki nyoma kakra. Best midfielders are yenim womo recently. Rodri, N'Golo Kante, talk of Memo Winding, Oba, ye Mike Lesiemo, Sule Ali Muntari mo, Oba Akosimoto, which is Jackson. Na Oshe ye recent Asante Kotoko, Richard Bodu Agadas. Ko wachika krebi kra na wahwe Andrews inti menu pepe. Bola omube boye ejiji MTN FA Cup no. Adia no omu ye ni se na omu suru omu ho on the field of play. Supporters will throw stones on them because as a fearless and shyness ewu so you can't deliver. But to us medias, what we saw from Andrews in team Manu Pepe was the best because he releases the ball in earlier stage. Timer, Kwame Poku, Fabio Gama, Mukwela, Mbella, Mfege, Sadiq Adam, Dawda Mohammed. All these guys are mabubu mudinia. Omuye potential strikers, clinical finishers, epic goals. Ediama Asante Kotoko no. Now midfielders deliver before say omobe call omo ho individual players. Hebert, baby a medri ewo video yi mu eyo you are one of the best yenya ewo Ghana football. Oba Kotoko dia midfield no you're the best. But mema wutri mu nya wo de bebre. Losing to Hattefolk. Nipa baako a ɔma Hattefolk edi nkunim ɛyɛ Hebert Chau. The ɔtɔ mienu ɛyɛ Walid Fuseni Adams. Name rather. And me can we asanso esisubiem. Kotoko problem na me di nkankan ye no. Ɛyɛ Baba Yaya, Inusa Adam, Peter Amidu. All these 3 guys ambo game ni bi. I'm not being a supporter to Asante Kotoko, but in terms of Ghana football, results are yenya ewo fie ekodema the home team. The yenya wo abontene ekodema the home team. So 46,000 capacity no baba yara ikita nipa eba ye nyina akire no na minimpefe say even half of them ana 70% out of 100% epese Kotoko be wini. How to folk supporters there ubie no obetimi aka kire om say ombe predict Kotoko win. Say all players so only players Kotoko epa game no mu second half ebe take game no on their shoulders. But at dear bakwa na adwene pa say Sauka Dauda, Albert Amwa, Kwame Poku, Morfin Dunsa, Otra midfielders na they are the players to deliver for Asante Kotoko no. They were not in the game. Yenche bibi kakra. If Sauka Dauda were out for Asante Kotoko to use Peter Amidu Akwa, game no ka results ebesesa. Inusa Adam by either the right wing, mostly Coach Karim Abdul Zito Eyizino from the right wing. Ka results no ka ebesesa. Either Kotoko will end with a drawn game or to win. Because you could see say Kotoko pressy to get the equalizer, but the wingers now omubitimi at the ball number the danger zone, which is 16 and 18-yard box. No, they are not all that skillful and ball controllers to penetrate into the 18-yard box. That was another problem. Yuhuye. Strikers, Kwame Poku, Morfin Tonso, Albert Amwa, they were free on the day. They were free. Yenya any feed bia emo signal assist ye ama go aba because say uwo inusa Adam na onka setup ho uwo Peter Amidu Akwa onka setup ho uwo Baba Yaya onka setup ho, and you are going to meet Hatofokwa. Call it a lose before the game. Kotoko companion for Kotoko coaches are nay almost take over the playing body from goalkeeper Kamawa to Morfin Donso or Kwame Poku. Munshe Winson. You lost the game because of injury situation. Abdul Karim Zito ekansa asemu and some trofo and GND and Jantum. But on Baby Rooney TV and on Eric Asiedu Facebook page where ye catch them say if Kotoko injury situations mind to me and surveyor, you blame referees, coaches, supporters, and even the GFA. Say maybe omontutu yenye, but you go and come back with an empty handed. Yes, of course. Because ultimately had to folk and bo with a man down. Na o performance we on one being Accra or Kumasi. Bono ye bought 300 minutes on the field the crana. Ka had to folk ebe meji the winners. A fact. Mo bia nji Baby Rooney ano insipone. Because midfield nankasa Hibet Jau wasn't that bad, but on lazy bontem Walid wasn't good. It's a fact. Playing Walid ahead of Seth Kojo is a wrong decision. Yenka nokre na nokre enji yen rather than say yedebe wani. Because so we game 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Na we hu dia wo ya obobo 120 minutes extra time ka ho. Because the game no say travel to extra time and yenya 120. Untimi nya hwee. Henry Kwame Yensu efri muama Musa Hamzata Abano. You could see say the guy is ready to even take that center back Jumano with Sambo Nel. True. Zakaria Fuseni eniho. Henry Kwame Yensu eniwa. Koto companion for Munya Jidi wo Musa Hamzata mu. Te said ye Munya Jidi ewo Sambo Nemu ma campaign ahodro kre koso say ka o meka a senior national team blasters hono. Because uyizi obi na se nipa no onya entoaso nyize no. That is why FIFA, CAF, Ghana Football Association ema kwan mama register almost 30 players. If my memory tells me right, I think say over 30 players. So why are you using a single player to get a 0 results points and 0 points results rather than to use a player? Are you good in the midfield? Wabo Prince Badu Hibet Chawu, there is no problem because Lord Hilary Afina ofri injury eba. But so ubebo Walid dia Boset Kojo. If Walid unsu winya video ya kachira wo say performance na o putting up Asante Kotoko no is not up to the standard. I think training, justify our Kotoko games. I've been watching you almost 6 to 7 matches. Improve. Baby bako kra me share ya na sorry to use this word. Abase my mommy. By the time oko agona echo ball fast track. That game now obey mono. I watch you from time I obey eko wiye. Na ase you say unko awoje ball na fell the nenye. I thought Baba Yara enye fell papa mfama. But my grass sa na oye. Unko awoje ball na ball ni hururi. I don't know say if there is pressure on you. Ibeja oji ball na timia control say obi mra no nche no. Eye ma player no say with team asha 4 na 5. But as a midfielder, hold the ball, acha passes, Awe Kwame Poku, Abet Amoa, Marifin Donso to score for you. There is no way for you to hold the ball for even 2 minutes, even 1 minute to crown. Why a mistake? Because Oji ya pejauti show left and right wingers. Say a whole nya show up front strikers. Never say they can deliver for you. Because goals are what say Asante Kotoko nyina a bouncing back goals. Balls are with the twattenham. Oh, of course, I've been watching you. Say Ubi try say Ubi should go. Na defenders blocky. Na ball na beto him. Then you send the ball into the net. But for you to beat almost 2-3 players to score, no, and no remarkable worker was away. We have Morfin Donso, Kwame Poku, Abet Amoa to do this work for you, Hibet Jau, because I can't choose any midfielder ahead of you on any day, in any game. If Kotoko is playing Baby Rooney TV Krana, you are number 1. But number 1, no, trimude complacency kataso hibet. Work on it. It's a fact. It's a fact. Team in the air, you can concede a goal, even goals. But ahoɔden ne that comeback spirit bia mubenya no mutumi etika ehye etoa so. First game against Atofok at Ohinijan Sports Stadium. Supporters are na wo Ohinijan Sports Stadium nyina no. Na omo pese Atofok winning, including me, because going into Accra to take the maximum 3 points, it was one of the fantastic and historic recorder mukoyeye. But mutumi ye. The tosumi you know, sa game no kra me hu se Kotoko ma nya de because na wosenka mo she 3 or 4 goals. Yes, of course. Frustration taking over. Ewo Hatfolk players so Emma Hassan kra eto ninsa eko referee so ni na ye clear. Our videos ewo wa mpanyimfo etwe na so. Sa frustrations no enu bia na ba mo so enra. After say Hatfolk go down with one man and you were like playing on the phone with Hatfolk na grow woman so. Agro ankasa, agro coaches, technical team, memo will be adini because Asante Kotoko money de bibia timisi. Ene ya obetimi ate say asumesi wa resign, asumesi benyimfo say onja adwuma no mfanto. But any coach bia oba be fa Asante Kotoko. These guys are there. They are not going anywhere. I don't know if say obi contract nti or kwa na so oba. But met for the idea. Say ibe jawu eyi ni tiwi na mope Prince Badua set kojo enka ho na number 10 row no momfama no set kojo ombo number 10 no enfama Asante Kotoko na monka nkire ni say eye 2 touch that 2 touches moye ewo training grounds no and reflect wo mo matches mu mubo home inti ne no bibia e call the amam Hatfolk koboni home the next game owia e beba betena ya na ono so pense ninsemo. You can't play Hatfolk with a man down and lose the game just like that. The Tosibim officiating there. He is the number 1 referee ene yenim pe nia isiye wo recent AFCON 2025 there and now 2026 AFCON officiating OD Nigeria match a hon sensem from Nigeria for before the game any hon chronoba but me catch will be say referee ni die mema no 60% out of 100 60% out of 100 but nia o lose game no e lose because of odnoa ni carelessness nia o winni yenso winni with that mentality now Hatfolk edeba Kumasi to take the 3 points as say na omodinkan and lose that 3 points no e wo hinichai share leave a comment aye decent na like na fi yenko subscribe as well to Baby Roni TV. Follow Eric Asidu on Facebook. Next time follow Eric Asidu on Facebook. Baby Roni TV rather on Facebook. Na bibia into me enye kama. Number is 0549679166. Opese unya o YouTube channel, TikTok channel, unya o Facebook page ebetimi amotaze amount na bibia ayekama. Opese unya Instagram, X, ni nyina no nia ebebo adwuma de sika brewa na woni etin kama on Baby Rooney TV. If only you need a YouTube channel, Facebook page, or TikTok channel as a business channel to earn you money, just WhatsApp, just DM us, just give us a message on 0549 679166. Let me put it in this way: +233 549679166. This show is brought to you by Victory Care Foundation, hashtag We Care, and supported by Crespio Herbal Clinic at Macro Anomani, opposite the government school park, and also Angel Rock Mixture. Na waje so say akokra bedi.
Baby Rooney TV.